Finance play a curricular role in any business, whether it is a small venture or a large corporation. Poor management of finance can significantly reduce your chances of success in the industry. While effective management can work wonders, SAP FICO Financial Accounting and Controlling is an essential module in the SAP ERP Enterprise Resource Planning. It enables organizations to manage their finance efficiently and make informed decisions. Would you like to learn more? So hello everyone, I am Avinash Tripathi from Team Webtel. In this video, I am going to explore the dimensions of SAP FICO, different module and types and their benefits. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft for regular enterprise updates. First, let's understand what SAP FICO is all about. Let's start with basics. So first, we start with basics. What is the SAP FICO? SAP FICO is a core function module in SAP ERP. With the help of SAP FICO module, companies are manage their financial data, generate financial statements, and analyze reports. SAP modules. So if we talk about the SAP modules, so SAP modules are separated into function modules and technical modules. Function modules. The function modules in SAP provide features like human resource management, finance management, production planning, and other work processes to facilitate the organization's day-to-day functioning. Technical modules. The technical modules in SAP focus on ensuring seamless operations in the SAP landscape. So here you can see function module and technical modules. Human capital management, production planning, material management, project system, sales and distribution, plant maintenance, quality management, financial accounting and controlling. So these are the function modules. And the other hand, technical modules: SAP Basis, SAP ABAP, SAP NetWare, Information System Management, Exchange in Infrastructure, High Performance Analytic Appliance. So these are the modules in SAP, function modules and technical modules. What is SAP FICO? SAP FICO comprise two core modules. The first is financial accounting, FI, and the second is controlling. Financial accounting. So what is the SAP FI? The SAP FI finance module is dedicated to the generation and management of financial statements and reports like profit reports, loss reports, balance sheet and all. Financial accounting modules has several sub-modules like general ledger GL, account payable, account receivable, asset accounting, bank ledger, automatic payment program, etc. Financial controlling, SAP CO. So basically the SAP CO modules focus on monitoring and reporting the cost of business operations. The SAP CO modules has several sub-modules like cost element accounting, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, internal orders, cost and all. Thank you for watching. I hope you have understood that an urge to manage finances efficiently, coupled with modern tools, ensures component financial management leading to business success for better comparison. Check out the blog link in this video description box and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comment section. Also, you can comment if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next Tuesday we will come up with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned with us for a better compliance and enterprise journey.